Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Rossi and I'm spiritual teacher. For the question, why is good to travel sometimes from your working place and where you live? My answer will be always the same. When you feel that you're like stuck in some position in your relationship, in emotional field of your life, if you are stuck in the business area, if you are stuck in your finance area, in area in your life, it is very good to travel. This is the reason why I take my spiritual family with me on many powerful places on earth. For now, my family, my spiritual family and I, we are here visiting Bosnian pyramid, and now we are on a very special plateau full of very, very good positive energy. So every time when you feel that you don't know what you need to do next in your life, how you can get out of your problems, if you have problem in your love life or in your job, very good trick is to go somewhere at least 100 kilometers away, because like our energy field, like our body, that also the energy of the earth have different type of energy. So every time when you go to your working place, have the same energy. Every time when you go to your home, have the same energy, and then all your system is used to it. So when you go out of that energy, when you go, especially if you have in your near uh, some place what is very holy of energy, and very good in energy, go on that place, because when you come on that place, you will be having new type of light, new type of frequency, and then maybe some solution will come. Some you will We always say, when you travel, you change your karma. Whenever you travel, you will get the new frequency, new energy, and then something new will happen. Or maybe you will get some answers on your question, or maybe you will see some different perspective on your current situation. So please travel for the healing. For the healing of any situation, you must travel at least 100 kilometers away. Otherwise, if you go just a couple of kilometers in your area, your karma will not change, your destiny will not change. But if you go 100 kilometers or more, then something magical happens. You will see, you will get some new ideas, that new energy of that place will enrich you with new vibration, new light, new idea, with new energy, and then maybe you will have more strength to make some changes, or maybe you will have some brilliant idea, or some different view on your situation, and then I hope your life will get better. Until soon, bye bye. Sending you love from the Bosnia and the Pyramid of the Sun.